I don't want them just to see the damage. I want them to meet with the community.
Governor Gavin Newsom, still on the ground in the fire zones, doubling down on his invitation to President-elect Donald Trump to visit Southern California and meet with those impacted by the fires.
I also want him to understand the magnitude of what just has occurred.
It comes as Newsom wants to move forward with his special legislative session. Originally, the session was solely aimed at taking on Trump by allocating $25 million in state funding to help pay for immigration legal services within the state and another $25 million to help California Attorney General Rob Bonta fund future lawsuits against the Trump administration. But earlier this week, Newsom and Democratic legislative leaders announced they are expanding the special session to also include $2.5 billion in emergency fire aid.
There's more help on the way.
But at this same press conference Monday, Democratic leaders announced they intended to merge their proposed fire aid package with the bill aimed at taking on Trump.
These two things dovetail, and I'm proud that we're able to do both.
But Republicans were outraged at that possibility. Their message to their Democratic colleagues:
do your damn job. Your priorities are absolutely out of whack with where Californians are.
San Diego GOP Assemblymember Carl DeMaio was one of several Republicans who openly said they did not want to be in the position to vote for one large encompassing bill that included funding to take on Donald Trump, coupled with emergency funding for the fires. DeMaio signed on to this letter from Assembly Republicans addressed to the governor, demanding that the two issues be put into separate bills, one aimed at preparing for and taking on Trump, which DeMaio does not support, and the other strictly for fire aid and resources, which DeMaio does support.
I think we need a dedicated special session just on emergency preparedness, on how we improve brush management, water management, utility management, fire response. All these are issues that have been long overdue for reform, and unless we have a dedicated session on just those topics, I don't think that we're actually going to see any progress.
For his part, Newsom now promises he will separate the Trump-related bills from the fire bills, writing this, quote, "I am not conditioning disaster aid on any other priorities." His spokesperson adding the governor wants the disaster aid passed on its own and approved swiftly without any unnecessary delays. Democratic legislative leaders now say they're in agreement.
I have been there, and I promise we're going to move heaven and earth to get LA rebuilt.
And Governor Newsom had originally hoped the special session would be all wrapped up by the time Trump takes office on January 20th. But now I'm told it's all been pushed back. The first special session hearings are expected to now take place sometime after Trump takes office next week. Reporting at the state capitol, covering local news that matters, Eitan Wallace, Fox 40 News.